Well, Bill, here's your 482 cubic inch all aluminum FE. Gripness combination. It's got a custom grind cam in it. Obviously got Shelby heads, Shelby block, got the Moroso front sump, MPEFI Holley, great system. Go in there and make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,400, 570 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 613, peak horsepower 602. So everything's good. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean. Show you a couple things. See your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card, full of technical information. Also on the engine will be this tag. It'll have an engine number, some other specs. Need something for us. That engine number is the easiest way to look you up. Flip it over. It's got a QR code. That'll take you some more tech stuff. Have a great day.